Good morning and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicola Richardson, the owner of Pink Vintage Jewellery, and in this video today I'm going to talk about why I don't use pearls for my permanent jewellery business. So just to give you a little bit of background about me, I started my jewellery business in 2017, so it's nearly been 9 years, my 9-year birthday next month. I've had nearly 10,000 sales on Etsy, and then I started my website a couple of years after that, and I've had a couple of thousand sales on that. And then at the beginning of 2025, I started a permanent jewellery studio in the centre of York. So first of all, I should just point out that I actually do love pearls. This is not a pearl bashing video. I use them and I wear them all the time in my jewellery designs and at home. But I have come to realise that there are some problems with pearls as a jewellery designer, and that's why I didn't want to introduce pearls as an offering in my permanent jewellery business. So, as you know, permanent jewellery is designed to be worn 24/7, every day, in and out, in showers, baths, swimming, beaches, work, whatever you do for a living. That's the whole purpose of permanent jewellery. So because of that, everything's got to be really strong to handle that constant wear and tear. Now, pearls, unfortunately, in my experience, can really scratch and break really easily, and that's because they are very soft. So in the world of jewellery, we've got something called the Mohs scale, which basically measures how tough a material is, how hard it is. It goes from 1 to 10. Now, diamond is the strongest material at number 10, and talc is the softest material at number 1. So in regards to where pearls sit in that, pearls come in on the Mohs scale at number 2. So it's just a little bit more stronger than talc. So you think about it realistically, is that pearl, charm or connector going to be around forever? Or will it break at the first chance it gets, the first knock against a wall or a car or a handle or a child or anything? It can scratch so easily. And in my experience, I've actually broken pearls whilst just doing simple wire wrapping techniques. I've chipped them, I've broken them, and I've actually disintegrated some as well, just trying to get them into my jewellery designs. So with this knowledge in mind, I decided at the beginning I wasn't going to use permanent jewellery in my designs because I didn't want my customers to be disappointed, because the whole purpose of permanent jewellery is they want to be wearing it in years to come. But I know for a fact that pearl, it won't wear well, and it probably will smash and break before the jewellery itself, and then you've got one unhappy customer really. So that's the reason why I've decided not to use pearls for my permanent jewellery. And I know you can buy products, you can buy some charms and connectors with natural pearls, but I don't offer that in my jewellery business, and for that very reason. I have started looking into fake pearls, which are more robust. They look like pearls, but they're made of different material, and they are a bit more robust. So I am looking into that because I do know people do like the look of pearls. So I hope that explains why I don't use pearls in my jewellery business, if you are a customer of mine and wanting to know why I don't offer those as charms and connectors. But I just don't want to be having problems in the future with disappointed customers. That's the main reason. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and this is my first video of 2026, and over the next few weeks I will be doing lots more videos about permanent jewellery. I've got a troubleshooting guide coming up. I'm basically going to be doing an A to Z of permanent jewellery. So if it's something you're interested in, or if you are a permanent jewellery artist and you need a little bit of help with something, sign up. And yeah, over the next couple of weeks I'll be putting much more content onto YouTube. Happy New Year to you all, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.